Salam and welcome. Today making Baghare Baigan. Baghare Baigan or fried aubergines. In England we call Baigan aubergine or brinjal. In some parts of the world they are also known as eggplants. So 4 names: aubergines, brinjal, Baigan or eggplant for the same vegetable. The eggplant I'm using or the aubergine I'm using is the large aubergine. If you have small aubergine, you don't need to cut them. I'm using the larger one, so I have cut them into long pieces. In my view, this is one of the tastiest aubergine Southeast Asian dish you can have. Originates from the city of Hyderabad, and that's why they also call Hyderabadi Baigan. So first thing we are going to do is fry our aubergines, which I have cut into long pieces in cooking oil. The reason for cutting my aubergines is for the spices to penetrate into the flesh of the aubergine, because aubergine itself has got a very watery flavor. If you are using small aubergine, then you just need to make small cuts, so again the flavors will penetrate into the flesh of the aubergine. Now while these are frying, which will take a few minutes to do, I'm going to blend some spices. Into the frying aubergine, I'm also going to put a couple of green chilies just for the extra flavor. Now, as you know, many cooks that you might have seen cooking this dish, or if you have not seen, if you see to compare my dish with it, use nuts like cashew nuts or peanuts in this dish, because this is supposed to be a very nutty dish. However, I'm cooking for 12 people and I know one of my colleagues have got very bad nut allergy, so I cannot use either cashew nuts or peanuts. So I'm using an alternative for it, which is poppy seeds, and poppy seeds are a very good alternative to nuts. So my poppy seeds, I got coconut, desiccated coconut, sesame seeds and coriander seeds. I'm going to blend these into a powder. So my aubergines are fried and I'm going to take them out in a separate plate. So our aubergines are all fried. Take a little bit more oil and going to add a few seeds in it. So I got white cumin, black cumin, mustard seeds and also a few methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. They will take only a few seconds to cook. Add chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder, less hot, less spicy hot and more color. Turmeric powder. Grate a bit of ginger, small piece, and 1 garlic. Again, take only half a minute to cook. Into this we are going to add our ingredient that we just grounded, which contains coconut, poppy seeds and sesame seeds and our coriander seeds. Cook these for a further minute or two. Add a small amount of hing powder or asafoetida. Smells absolutely lovely, gorgeous smell. Once the spices are cooked, I have blended 3 tomatoes into a paste. Add the tomato paste and also add tamarind paste. Cook for another 2-3 minutes. So once the tomatoes are cooked, put the fried aubergines back in there. Add a bit more water and leave it for about 10 minutes until the aubergines are fully cooked. and our dish is ready. So there you have it, your fried aubergines or Baghare Baigan or Hyderabadi Baigan. Let's have a little taste of the sauce. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Sweet and tangy and sour, beautiful. So it's ready to serve. You're going to garnish it. We are going to have it with chicken biryani. You can also have it with vegetable biryani, or you can have it with any dish like roti with tarka dal or khatti dal, or even plain rice with khatti dal and Baghare Baigan. Perfect combination.